Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. My name is Miss Isha, teacher of Guards Public Higher Secondary School 1. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the audio visual session 4. This is our fourth maths lecture. Students, as we have covered Pakistani place value chart of 6-digit numbers in our first lecture, international place value chart of 6-digit numbers in our second lecture, Pakistani place value chart of 7-digit numbers in our third lecture, and today in our fourth lecture we will be covering our last topic of this chapter, that is international place value chart of 7-digit numbers. Now students, as this is our last topic of this chapter, so before moving forward, let's have a quick preview of what we have learned in our previous lectures. We have learned about the terms notation and numeration. Do you remember, students, what is notation? Yes, writing the numbers in figures like 8, 16, 245. And what term numeration means? Yes, writing the numbers in words like 8, 16, 245. We have also learned about types of number system, that there are two types of number system, that is Pakistani and international. In Pakistani way, we have learned that how many periods are there for 6 and 7 digit numbers, and introduction of lakh and 10 lakh. And in international way, we have learned about period of 6 digit numbers, that is introduction of 100,000. I hope students you have understood all the terms, and with completing your assignments you are practicing also at your home. Let's have a quick review of our previous lecture also. In our previous lecture, we have learned Pakistani place value chart of 7-digit numbers. पाकिस्तानी वे में हमने समझा था कि 7 डिजिट नंबर्स के लिए 3 पीरियड्स होते हैं, lakh, thousand and यूनिट पीरियड. यूनिट पीरियड फर्दर 3 मेंबर्स में डिवाइड होता है, यूनिट, टेंस एंड 100, कॉमा, as my unit period is completed. 1000 पीरियड अगेन 2 मेंबर्स में डिवाइड होता है, 1000 and 10,000, comma, as my 1000 period is completed. Now the third period is of lakh, which is further divided into 2 members, lakh and 10 lakh. All the 3 periods are separated by a comma. After reviewing our previous lectures, let's start our today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will be discussing international place value chart of 7-digit numbers, introduction of million, read and write numbers in figures and in words, expanded and short form of a 7-digit number in international way. In the international way, by adding 1 to 999,999, we get 1 million, which is the smallest 7-digit number. We read it as 1 million. Here the digit 1 is at million place. Students, as it is difficult to read greater number, so let us learn how to represent a place value chart of 7-digit number and use of commas between the periods in the international place value system. Let us see the periods of 7-digit numbers in a place value chart. In a place value chart, a 7-digit number has 3 periods: millions, thousands, and unit period. Now starting from the right hand side, that is from unit period, our family has 3 members, that is unit, tens and hundred, comma. Second period is of thousand. Thousand period or family is further divided in 3 members: thousand, 10,000 and 100,000, comma. Third period is of million. Million period or family is further divided in 3 members, again million, 10 million and 100 million. But today we will learn till million, as we are learning about 7-digit numbers. Now students, after knowing about the periods and their members, let's consider a 7-digit number to place in the International Place Value System. 6529345. As it is clear from the previous slide that there are 3 periods for 7-digit numbers in International Place Value System, that is millions, thousands and units period. Let's start reading from the right hand side, that is from unit period. Unit period or family is further divided into 3 places, that is units, tens and hundreds. The second period is of thousand. It is further divided into 3 places, again thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. The third period is of million. It is further divided into 3 places, again million, 10 million and 100 million. Now start placing the digits in the place value chart. Let's begin. 5 is at unit place, 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundred place, comma. Now let's start with our thousand period. Now 9 is at thousand place, 2 is at 10,000 place, 5 is at 100,000 place, comma. Let's start with our third period, that is of million. 6 is at millions place. In figure it will be written as 6, comma. 6 is in the millions period. 529, 529 is in the period of thousand. 345, 345 is in the period of unit. In words it will be written as 6 million, 529, 29,000, 345. Let's do some examples of the place value of color digits. Let's start with the first one. The given 7-digit number is without commas and the color digit in this number is 2. For giving the answer correctly, I will read from the right hand side, that is from unit place. Like 1 unit, 3 tens, 9 hundreds, 5,000, 6 10,000, 300,000, 2 million. In this way, I will easily know what is the place value of the color digit. So it will be written in words as 2 million or 2 with 6 zeros in figure. Let's solve the second example. In this example, color digit is 0. As we have learned in our previous lectures that 0 itself have no value, but it's have a place value. Let's start reading from right to find out the place value of 0 in this number. Let's start reading. 8 unit, one tens, 200s, comma, 6,000, 9, 10,000, 0, 100,000, comma, 3 million. After reading from right, we come to know the place value of 0, that is 100,000. It will be written as 0, 100,000 or in figure as 0. Expanded form of a 7-digit number. The number given for expanded form is 8,347,914. As the commas are given in international way, so be careful with your commas. To write expanded form of any number, first we need to identify the place value or the position of the digits in the given number. Let's start reading from the right. 4 is at unit place, 1 is at tens place, 9 is at hundred place, comma, 7 is at thousand place, 4 is at 10,000 place, 3 is at 100,000 place, comma, 8 is at millions place. So it will be written as 8 is at million place. We will write as 8 with 6 zeros, plus 3 is at 100 place, 3 with 5 zeros, plus 4 is at 10,000 place, 4 with 4 zeros, plus 7 is at thousands place, 7 with 3 zeros, plus 9 is at hundreds place, 9 with 2 zeros, plus 1 is at tens place, 1 with 1 zero, plus 4 is at units place, so 4 will be written as it is. Now students, for writing the numbers in standard or short form, we need to check the positions of all the individual numbers. As in the given expanded form, 6 is at millions place, plus 1 is at 100,000 place, plus 3 is at 10,000 place, plus 9 is at thousands place, plus 3 is at hundreds place, plus 7 is at tens place, plus 5 is at units place. So it will be written in standard form as 6, 139, 375. Now let's compare Pakistani and international way. As we have learned that how a 7-digit number is separated in periods according to their ways. Let's start with the first example. इस एग्जाम्पल में स्टूडेंट्स एक 7-digit नंबर गिवन है विदाउट कॉमास और हमें इससे पहले पाकिस्तानी वे में चेंज करना है by putting the correct commas according to the Pakistani way. Now recall how many periods are there in Pakistani way? Yes, 3 periods. I will write the 7-digit number first and then put the commas according to the Pakistani periods. I will start from right. 285 is in the units periods, and then I will put the comma as one period is completed. Next is 05 is in the period of 1000. Again comma as my 1000 period is completed. In the last 69 is in the lakhs period. Now students, recall how many periods are there in international way according to the 7-digit numbers. Yes, 3 periods. Again I will read it from right. 285 is in the unit period. The unit period remains same in both Pakistani and international way. Comma, 905 is in the 1000 period. Again comma as my 1000 period is completed. 6 is in the million period. Students, always remember the periods and how many places a period have in both ways. Now students, as we have covered all the topics of first chapter, let's do some mental maths. First one is 1 lakh is equals to dash. Yes, the answer is 100,000. Second one is 10 lakh is equals to dash. Yes, the answer is 1 million. Third one is representing the numbers in figures is called dash. Yes, the answer is notation. Fourth one is the smallest 6-digit number in the Pakistani way is dash. Yes, the answer is 1 lakh. Fifth one is the smallest 7-digit number in international way is dash. Yes, the answer is 1 million. Sixth one is the biggest 6-digit number in Pakistani way is dash. Yes, the answer is 9,99,999. Seventh one is the biggest 7-digit number in international way is dash. Yes, the answer is 9,999,999. Eighth one is 57, 93, 674. In the given number, the place value of 6 is dash. Yes, the answer is hundreds. Students, you have to copy these mental maths in your copy also. Home assignment for lecture 4. You have to follow the same pattern which I have explained for previous assignments. Total 4 questions are there for assignment number 4. Let's start. Exercise 1.2a, parts you have to do is 1 till 4 and the page number is 7. Question is given, place these 7-digit numbers in periods, first in the Pakistani way, second in the international way by placing the commas correctly. For example, for this question, you have to draw 3 columns. In the first column, 7-digit number is given. In the second, Pakistani way, and in the third, international way. Students, as we have learned that Pakistani way has 3 periods and international way also has 3 periods for 7-digit numbers. So we will put commas according to that. Like the number is given 271480 In the Pakistani way, it will be written as 27,14,802 and in the international way, it will be written as 2,714,802. Now for question number 2, exercise 1.2c. Parts you have to do 1 till 4 and the page number is 8. Question is given, write these numbers in figures placing the commas correctly according to the international periods. For example, 9,273,000, 560. This question is given in words and you have to write in figures like 9, 273, 560. For question number 3, exercise 1.2d. Parts you have to do is 7 till 11 and the page number is 9. Question is given, write the place value of the color digit in the international way. For example, In the given example, the color digit is 3 and no comma is given. So firstly, we will put the comma according to the international way, like 4, 360, 158. Then after reading from right, we come to know the place value of 3 in this number, that is 300,000, or in figure it will be written as 3 with 5 zeros. For question number 4, exercise 1.2e, parts you have to do is 7 till 10 and the page number is 9. The question is given, write the numbers that match these expanded form. For example, 1,000,000 plus 800,000 plus 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 4 tens plus 2 unit. It will be written in short form as 1, 804, 742. Let's have a review of today's lecture. We have learned international place value chart of 7-digit numbers, place value of a 7-digit number, that is 10 million in international way, expanded and short form of a 7-digit number, use of commas in both Pakistani and international way for 7-digit numbers.